Hi Ate, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and I will see you next year. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mare! Life begins na tayo this year. Nauna ka lang ng 3 months. Anyway, enjoy mo yung celebration mo ngayon. And I pray na lahat ng desires ng heart mo or lahat ng natitirang desires ng heart mo ay i-bless ni Lord. Ingat lagi and enjoy. Wag puro work. I miss you guys. Happy birthday!
Hi Ateng! Happy birthday! Gulat ka, no? May pa-surprise party sa'yo. Anyway, enjoy your special day and thank you so much sa lahat. Alam mo naman kung gaano kita na-appreciate sa lahat, sa pagiging second mom ng mga babies ko, sa mga errands ko, everything. Thank you so much sa effort, sa family ko. Makakabawi din ako sa'yo in time. Happy 18th birthday! Love you! At ito pa ating, hindi pa tayo tapos. Iwasan mo nang maging maldita, super science, Dragon Ball sa mga kapatid mo at sa work mo. Tandaan, hindi na tayo bumabata. Basta, dito lang kami ng mga Marimars. We love you so much. Ang mga wrinkles, ating, ayun na, diba? Hindi na tayo bumabata.
Happy
birthday, Nat!
Miss you!
I miss you! Love you! Happy birthday!
Boom! Happy birthday, Ja. Nagulat ka ba? Ako lang to. Walang kwenta, no? Ayun. Ano masasabi ko sa'yo? Alam mo naman, I'm a man of few words, kaya happy birthday lang kaya ko sabihin. So, yun lang. Enjoy your night. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nino Jaja. Happy birthday, Tito Jaja.
Happy 20th birthday, Tita Jaja! Wishing you good health and happy love life.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Raja! Hey, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Galaw-galaw.
Hey, what's up, Bini Nadja? Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Enjoy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy